Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, Loki will be biting his collar if he wants to. Loki! Bite the collar. Loki, down! Down! Or this will go back on you.
He doesn't want to chew
He's
it.
like, I do not want to chew it anymore. But I would like to chew it. I was up here. Loki! Look at his face. And then he barks. And then scares everyone when he barks for no reason. And then we have the cow. And then we have Loki. And then we have the bite. He bites the cow. And then we tug on it and we play tug of war. But he's not the best at tug of war with the cow. Come on. Chew. Now he's like, now I want to chew on the cow. Oh, he's tugging on it. Oh, he tug. Yeah, I would. Did you just not being so tuggy, but you all being bitey? Isn't that bitey tuggy, bud? You just... Well, actually, that was the camera and you. I still like you when you bite the collar. It's adorable. Oh, yeah, but these things probably stick into your mouth, so that hurts. That's why you stop chewing on it. And then you bark loudly. Okay, then. Thanks for watching the channel. Subscribe and bye.